morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching us from. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching us from. It's your girl Mama Boys here. Dorothy Kalinda. Mama Boys here, Dorothy Kalinda, and today we're going to prepare our chicken with ugali, guys. These are the ingredients. We have the tomatoes, our chicken, we have our onions, we have our garlic, and this is the garlic and what do they call it? Jungu saumu.
Yes, thanks. Sorry.
Salt, guys. Chicken will be putting our rosemary and our turmeric plus a little bit of our paprika, guys. And we will be marinating it also with our garlic and ginger, guys. Stay tuned. Like, comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe. And a little bit of turmeric, a little bit of paprika, a little bit of our rosemary, guys. Just a little bit of it. And a little bit of salt for taste. Then, guys, we'll be mixing it. Result, guys, after mixing it, then we'll take our pan, guys, put it in the fire.
We have our one and only pet. As you can see, they were 3, and 2 of them they were eaten by cat. And
Now we have
I don't know is she or a he remained only him.
So we are trying to raise him at home, guys.
Yeah.
Okay. So now we are putting our oil in the pan. Just a little bit of the oil, not too much. Wait for it to get hot so that we can put our.
Yeah, guys, for us we always like to use golden rope. There are so many of oils. There is fried, yeah. As we use this one, we will be putting chicken. As you can see,
Now guys, I'm going to remove the chicken. Okay, I'm going to reduce the oil a little bit.
oh little chicken, oh little chicken. Sorry.
Okay, onions. I like to use a lot of onions. I'm going to put our tomatoes. A little bit of salt. go with a little bit of the ginger and garlic, guys. Okay, we leave it to cook. And that's when we add our meat, guys, our chicken.
Stay tuned, don't forget to subscribe, share, and link and comment.
It's ready. Now I will be putting my okay. I'm adding my Reiko cubes. You can see. And a little water for the soup, guys. Because we're eating our ugali, we have to have soup. Then we leave it to a boil. Then we'll start preparing our ugali, guys. That's our soup, guys. It's ready. Now I'll be putting it in our serving dish, guys. That's our soup for the day. Okay, now we're preparing our ugali. I've added a little bit of flour. Then I'll be mixing it for it to be like porridge, guys. Then that's when I'll cook my ugali.
Stay tuned.
Now that my porridge has already boiled, the mixture of flour and water, maize flour and water, it has just now turned into porridge. You can see. That's when I'll be adding my flour, guys, my maize flour. We'll be doing it slowly because if I put a lot, the porridge will pour down, guys.
Yes, guys, let's meet at the final. Let's meet at the final result.
Okay, now my ugali is ready. You know it's ready when it doesn't stick on the cooking stick, guys.
Let me meet you at the testing part.
That's our ugali, guys.
Serving for the kids.
I'm cutting my ugali for the young boys, guys. Doing like this for it to cool. Not be hot like that. They cannot eat it, guys. Now I'll be putting their meat. Okay, that's for the young boys. So, Brian, will you test your food for us and tell us how it is then?
Of course.
As usual, I'm the one who only tests. So testing the food for us, guys, is Brian Joshua. Okay, it's hot, guys. Okay.
Yes, the food is nice, and my mom is the best. Stay tuned, we are out.
Bye, guys. Bye bye.